Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 5th, and this is my recap of the top of your videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis of gold, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did have a pretty decent little push up eventually, and I can see a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down right there. So it kind of makes sense that this would make a crutch into this last move down, the 5-way pattern. I would expect it to at least take out this high right here. I think it is going to make a lower high than this over here. So I would be looking for some sort of a, 3-way pattern to the upside, some sort of an ABC shape, preferably, 3 waves up, right to a Fibonacci level, which I think the 61.8 should be the most likely area. If we get a big bearish engulfing push to the downside right there, then that is definitely going to be my next sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. At least until the higher time frames tell me that this move down is complete, which I definitely do not see that on the 4-hour and daily time frame and up yet. I for sure will continue to look for sorting opportunities at the end of these ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.